Joe, you're the host, I'm Kelly. Come
Minaka, and good morning to you, sir. It is with immense pleasure we wish to welcome you, home and hearty welcome to the Northern Division. First visit after TCASA. We are deeply honored and very encouraged and delighted to have you here in the Northern Division this week, today and of course tomorrow.
At the outset, please let me say thank you for the momentum. I apologize for the delay, we were about half an hour late, but that was beyond our control. And personally, I'd just like to congratulate and thank the hard-working team for what has been achieved over the last 30 days. And I apologize for the fact that I couldn't come any earlier. Now, for obvious reasons. Now, I had planned to come 2 weeks ago, but it's better that the Prime Minister and his team come before us, because he has all the resources, and when you say it's going to happen, it does happen. With my team, you can understand, I can only come offer you our good wishes and our thanks and our prayers for what had happened. And I'm so happy to hear that the schools have started. Most of the schools have been prepared. You talk about first phase, so I take it there are other phases to come, and we'll talk about that later on, and I hope we can elaborate on that and clarify a few issues. Now, my only regret is that I missed the Australian Defence Force personnel. Have they all gone back? Because I read in the papers today the ship left yesterday. So, no engineers on the ground, no boots on the ground? So they're all gone. Good to be here. Good to be here. Good to be here. I wish I could have come earlier than that, but thank you.
Honourable Minister, Secretary Commissioner Martha, Assistant Minister, sir, and members of the Commissioner Martha's team, PA Board, done. So we are currently on the petition public visit phase 2.
I'm a simple infantryman, so keep it simple. Yeah? We met before. Good to see you there. Working hard as usual.
Yes, sir.
I mean to thank you. Are you there? Malu, saling sudah kau. Mesti dia. Kenapa kau lupa?
Halus, sir.
Good to see you. Well done.
Nabouwalu.